Hi, I'm Hannah, and today I'll be teaching you to set up your SparkLearn team. Setting up a learning system can be difficult, especially if you don't have time to spare or a background in learning design. That's why we created a tool to make it easy. With SparkLearn's AI Setup Assistant, you can create your content, your team, and your branding all by answering a few simple questions. Let's get started. When I first log in, I can click the button at the top of my dashboard to open up the assistant. First, I'll be asked to enter what industry I work in and provide a link to my company's website. Today, I'm creating a site for a utility company. Feel free to get as specific as you like. The more closely you can describe your industry, the better the suggestions will be. The assistant will take a few moments to learn about my industry and present common roles in that line of work. These roles will be used to organize users into groups, so it's helpful to think about the teams or departments that you'll be training. I'll select these 3 for now, and I can always edit them or create more later. Moving on to the third step, I now have a list of skills related to each role and can choose the topics that I want to create training content for. If you selected multiple roles, don't forget to make a selection for each tab. It's okay if some roles have overlapping topics because content can be shared between groups. Next, the AI will show me a few course ideas to choose from for each role. These will be turned into courses with pre-outlined content to build from. Lastly, the assistant suggests a color scheme to make my site match my company's brand. I can use these or enter a specific color code. When I'm done, I'll click Let's Go to see my updated site. It will take just a minute or two for the AI to do its work. Much faster than how we're used to working, right? Wow, my site has been populated with new groups, and I have some courses outlined with articles on the skills my team needs to know. Just remember, AI isn't perfect, so we encourage you to review your content for accuracy and enhance it with your own materials. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.